Good afternoon, and thank you for joining me for this season of Mortgage Sense. Today I'm very privileged to have a very good client and friend of mine, Michelle Marquis. Michelle and I have known each other now for about a year and a half, and I originally had met Michelle through a friend of hers who had suggested that she had come and see me because she was going through some life changes and was going to buy her first home. And a year and a half later, here we are again redoing her mortgage for some additional savings. So Michelle, can you share your story with us?
Well, I did get recommended, and I of course love to use recommendations. I came to see you because I definitely needed help. Single mom, working 2 jobs.
You're very hardworking.
Needed to find the place that my daughter and I could be comfortable, but didn't want to feel like I have to move again and stepping stones, and you have helped me immensely. And of course, a year and a half ago, the market was totally different and interest rates were a lot higher, and now you've been able to sort me out with almost 2% less, where I'm saving hundreds of dollars a month.
Yeah.
And that's huge.
Definitely.
Anything of saving helps me in my life. And
definitely. I know you work really hard as a single mom, and I've met your beautiful daughter, and I love her to pieces. And we've got some really cute stories you can share about her as well. But let's talk about the savings, Michelle. We're going to be saving you. $319 a month. I mean, that's a lot of money. That's $3,828 a year, and that's $11,484 just over 3 years. Not to mention all the interest we're saving. We're saving over $50,000 in interest. That must be very comforting.
Oh, it's all news to me as of today, and I'm ecstatic. I had no idea that I was shaving off years of my...
We forgot to talk about that. We're even shaving off 5 years right off the top. Last year we had a 40-year mortgage. Now we've got a 35, and our payments are still lower.
I know, which is crazy because you never ever hear of that. You always hear of anything saving cost you more money in the lower frame, but I'm so happy, and I love to travel, and I love to obviously spoil my daughter the best I can.
Yeah.
And now saving this much money kind of justifies it and makes me feel a little bit better.
Good.
So,
well, I know you're still hardworking, so maybe this can give you some time to take some time off.
yes.
You know,
always.
help pay those dental bills. And
yes, which I just had yesterday. Got told I needed a root canal, so this is great news for the 24 hours later that that money it's going to cost me, I'm actually going to be saving in such a small amount of time that it doesn't feel like so much of a debt.
Yeah.
So that is huge too. That's huge.
it really helps provide that security that all homeowners should have.
Absolutely, and it's
So-
hard enough making ends meet. So when you ever get a way to save money, and it'd be a bonus, it just makes you feel like life's that much more enjoyable. I can do so
Definitely.
many more things and not feel guilty about spending the money.
Thank
you.
Definitely.
I
Well,
do appreciate it.
my pleasure. You know, and I've had the privilege of helping a good friend of yours too.
Yes, you have, and you were recommended from a good friend of mine, so obviously it just keeps going, and you always tell me that, important people are on your desk and you're waiting to help them, and you have shown me that, and I really appreciate it. So
My pleasure. So what advice would you give anybody who is thinking about getting a mortgage?
come see Angela, and she'll make magic happen for you too, and really just bring all the information and give them anything they need, and they will find a way. They'll find a way to make it work and make it happen.
Oh, thank you so much. I know how you referred your friend to us, and you actually have my number right in your cell phone,
I do.
and you just popped it out. And
I know anytime you call me, I'm like, hi Angela, I got you.
I
right
love
there,
it.
so-
I love it.
No,
Yeah, well,
absolutely.
it's a real privilege to help you, and I look forward to hearing about all the good times that you're going to have saving all this money. And
Oh yes.
I look forward to coming on that boat in the summertime.
I do, and the invitation is constantly there, and
Oh,
anybody, I
great.
have a big mouth, I say, and a good big mouth, but anybody I will definitely tell to call you.
Oh,
and,
great.
I hope you can help me obviously in the future again, but
Of course, I'm always here for you. For the life of your mortgage, we're here to help you save as much money as possible.
and I think you're younger than me, so I actually think I might hold you up to that.
Excellent.
For life.
Excellent. Well, you know what? Thanks again, Michelle. I know that you're
Thank
hardworking
you.
and you got to go to another job right
thank
now,
you so
but
much.
thanks again. We
Yeah,
look forward to
thank you,
helping you.
and please everyone call her because she does magic. So.
And what's the number, Michelle? Do you know that offhand yet?
I don't, but hey, let me.
Let's look in your cell phone.
Okay, well, here we go. Under Angela, not just a mortgage. She's she's an important and special person to me. So here we go.
Oh, yeah.
604-802-3983 under Angela.
Thank you.